Hello everyone and welcome to an extra short video. This week the team made several updates that are being pushed to the live database today, so we figured we should give our loyal customers a quick overview of the changes. To start, the team identified an issue in the Audit Activity section where the start date was marked as a different type of field as every other date field in FreeQMS. Instead of picking a date from a calendar, it was simply an open text field. This has been updated to fall in line with the other date fields across the board. This will not affect any of your previously entered dates, so no worries there. Secondly, on the audits form, the team had initially thought to have the Schedule Notes tab under Audit Agenda automatically hide if nothing was input. However, through feedback and program tests, we have determined it best to simply keep the field visible. Thirdly, we have done a pass of the audit module in the general FreeQMS forms to increase readability and usability across the board. The Edit and Create buttons should be easier to locate, and we're hoping that the various sections of the module are easier to identify. This is a work in progress as we constantly strive to make FreeQMS the most user-friendly program on the market. And that about covers it. We hope you appreciate these changes, and as always, we look forward to your feedback. We'll be sending out a survey to our users to find potential areas of improvement fairly soon, so look out for that in your inbox. On top of that, you can always reach out to us at our website, freeqms.com, to submit any additional feedback or questions.